Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And this is our very last day of the Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent unboxing. I'm so happy you guys are here to join us for this. All right, let's get our cup of tea going. And I have to tell you a funny story about the tea. Remember how yesterday we were talking about the mint tea and how I just didn't care for it, but I'm sure some people out there do. I was watching another video by Yarn and Yarns, Miss Angela, and I'll send a link to her video. I love her videos. Her Advent had the exact same tea in it, and she was telling me how much she loved it. So I just thought that was so funny. It just shows how different people can be. All right, what do we got today? Yellow. Tulsi ginger. Green tea with fragrant tulsi and warming ginger. Seems like we had this in our other box and it wasn't too terrible. Oh, it says key ingredients. Green tea, ginger, and tulsi. I wonder if that's been on all of them. Nope. Interesting. Okay. I don't know what tulsi is, but we're going to find out if we like it. It's not awful. There's no way I could tell you what that smelled like, but it is not awful. So let's give it a bath. It's a little swim in the hot tub, as it were. Our water is much hotter than it was yesterday. I think that was part of the problem. Our water was not hot enough. It wasn't the problem that the water wasn't hard enough. I had chit-chatted too long before I started. Okay, we'll let that sit for a couple of minutes. Tulsi ginger. Alrighty. And as you remember, yesterday we already finished the 12 Days of Christmas stitchery. So nothing new to show on that. I have not worked on the edges. Don't know quite what I'm going to do with that yet. All right. Let's look at our box. Number 24. Way over here in the corner. Ugh. Okay. Got a little sleigh. Santa sleigh there, and it says only female reindeer keep their antlers in the winter. So it's female reindeer that are pulling Santa's sleigh. I think I knew that, but I don't think I realized it was because they're the ones that keep their antlers in the winter. There's something a little bouncy in there. Let's see what we've got going on. Nothing. It's white. It's all white inside. Can't see anything. Oh, that's pretty. It's another needle minder. And it's a Christmas ball. That is so pretty. I like the needle minders. So, oh, you know what? Maybe it's not the Christmas ball. Maybe it's the ball that comes down on New Year's? Not sure. I'm going to call it a Christmas ball. I like it a lot. Very, very a lot. I love needle minders. I think I might have ordered one in a recent order that I put in somewhere. Okay, and there's the back of it. Some Christmas lights and the Christmas trees. So let's put this up here in our box. There we go. There's our whole complete set. Okay, let me see if I can turn this around so you can see the whole thing. I'm not good at this. All right. Can I pause? Well, that didn't work. The whole flippy thing does not work with this camera. So I'm just going to insert a couple of pictures of it so you can see what it looks like close up being finished. All right, let's take a taste of our tea. It's not too bad. I can taste a tiny hint of the ginger, but the rest of it just kind of tastes like a black tea. Yep, that is not awful. That I would drink and enjoy. All right, that's the tail end of our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent box. We are going to be starting the 12 days of Stitchmas tomorrow. We'll start that one, and we'll finish off the different teas that we have. So I'm very excited about that. And I want to thank you guys for joining in on all of these fun things that we're opening. I am going to have a few more openings, so be looking for those. Thank you so much for joining us. Please like, please subscribe, and please share this with somebody who might enjoy it. Bye-bye now.